2, 3, 4.
Hi everyone, I'm Rob from the Gator team, and welcome to our weekly series, FAQ Friday. In this series, we're going to answer the most common questions about abrasives and sanding. Now, in this week's episode, we're going to show you how to fix any scratching mistakes that you may have made during sanding. Now, the main way to fix scratches is to sand them out by working through progressively finer grits of sandpaper. If the scratches are deep, start by sanding them down with a grit coarse enough to remove that scratch completely. Then, gradually move up through finer grits to smooth and refine the surface. Now, the primary method is to continue sanding with progressively finer grits of sandpaper, making sure your surface is even before moving to the next grit. If the scratches are deep, you'll need to address them before sanding them down to the depth of the scratch using a lower grit sandpaper, and then working your way up through finer grits to refine the surface. Now, make sure your surfaces are uniform and even before moving to the next grit. That way, you're not just hiding scratches, you're removing them. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions that you want answered. And as always, see you in the next FAQ Friday.